Working Group 3 is focusing on how we can nurture intergenerational family solidarity. So while Working Groups 1 and 2 are looking at more of the academic research, the idea of Working Group 3 is that we put some of that academic research into practice. So the members of Working Group 3 include academics, but they also include people who work in policy and practice. So in the course of the meetings that we've had at the various meetings so far, we've really focused on being able to come up with a classification, a way in which we can understand the very different forms in which intergenerational family solidarity might be promoted. One of the things that we kind of identified very quickly is that we all have different definitions of what it might be and different ways in which it might be supported in different cultural contexts. In some contexts, it might be the focus is purely on the family. In other contexts, the focus might be more on intergenerational relations that happen outside of the family. So a big idea of our work is to identify a structure, a framework. We've now quite happy with the structure and framework that we've identified. So the next stage of our work is to populate it with not so much best practice, because that suggests a qualitative, a subjective judgment, but basically practice, different ways in which intergenerational family solidarity has been promoted. And that could be very much targeting individual families, communities, or it could be at a wider national policy level.